Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Roblox HttpError DNS resolve. So, let's get started. First things first. Click on the bottom left search bar. Then search for Control Panel. Then open it. Once it is opened, click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Change Adapter Setting on the top left. Then right-click on your network. Then click on Properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on Properties. Then click on Use the following DNS server addresses. Then write 8888 in the first one. Then write 8844 on the second one. Then click on OK. Then close this app. Then click on the bottom left search bar. Then search for SMD. Then open it as administrator. Then type ipconfig/DNS. Then click on Enter. Then type netint IP reset. Then click on Enter. Now restart your computer to fix the problem. And that's how you to fix Roblox HttpError DNS resolve. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.